The best moments in our life are the ones which bring thrills, excitement, joy and exhilaration. Creating equipment that helps users experience these moments is the motto of Arihant Industrial Corporation Limited. It is our purpose to create happy moments. We work towards our goal to be a globally preferred company in the happiness industry and enlarging stakeholder value by being principle-driven, being clients' delight, being innovative and trend-setting, being a great place to work. Arihant Industrial Corporation Limited is engaged in manufacturing and supply of water park equipment. Over a period of time, Arihant has evolved into a one-stop shop for providing comprehensive quality services related to water park equipment. We have two manufacturing units near Mumbai, spread over an area of 360,000 square feet, and equipped with modern machinery, tools, and a state-of-the-art fabrication setup that adheres to international standards like EN 1069 and ASTM. Arihant has continuously aimed at delighting its clients, encouraging innovation, and setting new trends, thus becoming a global player in the industry. Arihant's services are drawn on the wealth of its vast experience in water slide projects. We offer complete end-to-end services right from conceptualization to completion and trials. Meticulous planning, designing as per international standards, EN 1069 and ASTM, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of the client's vision enables us to not just meet but exceed client expectations. A clear focus on precision, safety, durability, and accurate utilization of the topography helps us optimize the use of available resources and experience in designing water parks of all sizes. Our team conceptualizes and brings forth breathtaking designs that are known to create a mark and drive greater footfalls. Once approved by the client, we move to the manufacturing phase. Manufactured with stringent quality control measures at every stage, our products pass through 3 quality checks, 2 internal and 1 by external party before installation. We make use of LRTM, light resin transfer molding technology, and are the first ones to introduce the technology in the country. The products manufactured through this technology have an unmatchable finish and superior product quality. Post-manufacturing, a team of experienced installation engineers installs Arihant's products under expert supervision. Comprehensive trials are executed to ensure operational safety and removal of any glitches before rides are opened to visitors. Our efficient and dedicated customer service department undertakes regular follow-up with all clients even after installation. IAAPI has bestowed Arihant with awards like 2015-2016 Best Wet Ride, 2013-2014 National Award of Excellence, Best Manufacturing Wet Ride Funnel Slide, 2012-2013 Best Manufacturing Product of Wet Ride. With a bunch of pioneering products, Arihant has already installed and commissioned innumerable successful projects worldwide. Water slide. Water play structures water movers like wave pool, lazy river. Arihant has executed some of the most notable projects across the globe. Few of the prestigious projects are
guys in India did a fantastic job. It all lined up and it all matched up.
endeavor to enhance the customer experience through our innovative quality products and dedicated service. We focus on constant upgradation of our technology, finding newer and groundbreaking processes to optimize the results for our clients. We have set benchmarks and continue to enhance our standards in safety, product performance and aesthetics. Arihant continues creating happy moments, bringing many more smiles now and in the future.